need to tell you something.
I need to tell you something. There's a new shipwreck in Amed that no one knows about and no one talks about. Well, I do in this video, coming up. What's up, Gert from Leroy.com and Master Freediving. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm a freedive instructor, I dive from Breathhold. This channel is all about helping you master freediving, including tutorials, stories and the latest news from the freediving community. And in this video I'll tell you all about a sunken fast boat in the northeast of Bali, Amed, that probably the Balinese government doesn't want you to know about, because this is a real ship that transported passengers to the Gili Islands and sank. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Alright, so this shipwreck is called the Pasha Wreck and is located in the corner towards Amed. Green Lemon Warung and Pasha Rastabar are reference points. Now the deepest point of the wreck is 25 meters, the top is around 22 meters, so this is a pretty advanced dive site. This was a fast boat that was supposed to take passengers from Alet to the Gili Islands, and it sank on its mooring line. So luckily nobody was on the ship when it sank, but nevertheless this is a serious incident, of course. Apparently this is not the first fast boat that sank in Amed. A little Google research quickly tells us more. Fast boat safety standards thrown under question after boat goes down on the way to Gili Trawangan. By the way, if you guys know anything more about this shipwreck called the Pasha Wreck, then please by all means let us know in the comments down below. So let's take a look at the wreck. Alright, going down. I'm gonna take you through the whole descent because I want you to see that it takes me actually quite some time to get there. It is not that simple. If visibility is bad, you cannot really locate the ship, so you have to go down to 10-15 meters to actually see the ship, and if you're not right on top of it, then you have to do some horizontal swimming, so it's quite challenging. The whole idea is to find exactly the spot where it's located and to duck dive on top of the ship so you won't have to cover unnecessary distance. So this is my first dive, just exploring the sites from the outside of the ship. It looks very nice. That is the entrance through which I will be going later on. Very nice. So I have an idea now about the ship. This was the very first time I saw this ship. Taking a look again from a distance. So that is the door I'm going through. Everything fine. I just want this image printed on my brain before I go through the ship. And again, a little closer, taking a look inside, making sure everything is okay. I don't want to take any risks. Wonderful sunken fast boat. It sounds a bit sarcastic. The fast boat is not supposed to sink, of course, so few people know about it. Local government probably doesn't want you to know about it. Look at that, we're inside of the ship. The seats are like brand new. This is incredible. You have to pull yourself forward. Not much space to fin. And look at there, the logo. What do we see there? Marina Srikandi. Wonderful. Now that name rings some bells, right? Now let's take a look again at the front of the ship. Look at the steering wheel. We're gonna come back to this later on. And here the logo at the back, Marina Srikandi. Again, it is a fast boat from the same company that sank. I am not the first one to dive this wreck. After a little research I came across the Facebook page of the Pressure Project, and they say new speedboat wreck in Amed. We were the first to dive it, June 2019. So let's take a look at their footage from the Pressure Project. So going down, look at the whiteness of the ship. I mean, there is way less slime on the ship, so obviously it is very, very new. Look at that, wonderful. Of course, the same steering wheel, everything the same. It just looks more neat, more clean, more fresh. So yeah, the guys from the Pressure Project, they were most likely the first ones to dive this wreck. Now you can see the seats from the front. He's going out through the side window. I didn't know you could do that. I went out through the back. So he got out through the side window. Interesting serial numbers on the side of the ship there. And going back up. So let's go take a look at the website of Marina Srikandi now. So you can click on vessels. And then you have the different types of boats. Let's take number 12. What do we see there? Boat length 16 meters. That could very much be it. What else do we have? Capacity 190. No, that's too much because I counted 4 seats per row. 10 rows is like 40 passengers. So that's not the type of boat. But why do I take this number 12? Because we have pictures here. And these are, I mean, look at the left picture, the boats from the outside. That is exactly the one we were diving there. That is exactly how the Pasha wreck looks like. Then take a look at the steering wheel and the, I mean, it's all very much similar. So this is not exactly the boat, unless they are wrong in the number of passengers, unless they made a mistake there and it is 40 indeed, then it is this type of boat. But apart from the number of passengers, the way it looks like is exactly the same. Question of the day: what shipwreck did you freedive already and that you would absolutely recommend us? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to know more about mastering freediving, then hit the round subscribe button here. And here I have a video about Deep Week during which this footage was shot. So go ahead and click on that. That's it, guys. See you next time. Peace.